Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundix, progress never sleeps. If you want to stay up to date with my crypto videos, make sure that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now, Dogex and Pundix have joined forces to bring the ease of use that comes with the XPOS device to the South African markets. Now, a little bit about Dogex, just so you can kind of get an idea of what they're doing. Dogex specializes in delivering tokenized solutions for corporations and so on. I personally don't know much about Dogex, but I do know that they have teamed up with Pundi to deliver the XPOS device to kiosk and store merchants across South Africa. I believe that developing countries hold greater opportunities, therefore crypto is doing much better in other parts of the world than it is here in the USA. However, things are definitely getting better, much better all over the world. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, more people are definitely watching than they were 2, 3, 5 years ago. Now, with all of this being said, I also want to mention some great news going around, and that is that apparently Samsung's crypto wallet will come with NPXS as one of the first options. While this is great, keep in mind that those unaware Samsung users would actually have to not just engage with that part of their phones, but actually use them for it to have the effect that we potentially may or believe it could have for NPXS specifically. However, the exposure to cryptocurrency will definitely be there, regardless if they use BTC, NPXS, XRP, whatever they may use. The exposure to the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole is definitely there. So that's still great news for all of us as a whole. However, the reason I say this is because I don't want you guys worrying if this doesn't have the effect on NPXS that you expected, because in reality it may not. Because again, like I said, they would have to first engage, and on top of that, they would actually have to use it. However, focusing on the bigger picture, we're definitely doing great this far. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Most good things take time. And also keep in mind that not all things that take time are good things. So always do your own research along with other information that you may receive from others, such as me and other people that are providing content out there. Now, the reason I specifically wanted to say that that quote that Rome wasn't built in a day is because I think as we move forward, well, not so much now that we're kind of going into a bullish market, but as we move forward and maybe we have some bad days, some bad weeks, some bad months in the crypto market, a lot of people start to question, oh, like, is this even going to work? Is this going to like take off? Am I actually going to make money? And I think that's kind of like the book says, Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's kind of like the Chicken Little in us, which is kind of telling us like, oh, the sky's falling, the sky's falling. That's not going to work. And I think that we should sometimes take a step back and analyze what we're actually putting our money into and what we're actually investing in, and just take a step back and look at the project, look at the team, look at their vision, look what they have done so far. And if you're 100% satisfied with what they've done so far, what their team looks like, what their team have accomplished by individuals, and where they're headed, their visions, their roadmap, if you can be 100% satisfied with all of that and with all the news coming out for that specific project, then most likely than not, you are in good hands. However, again, like I always say, things can change quickly. Sometimes we think that something is going super great, but then out of nowhere it just collapses. Sometimes we think that something is going extremely bad, but out of nowhere it just fits, it falls perfectly together. So just keep that in mind as we move forward, because I feel like a lot of people definitely left the cryptocurrency space just because they saw that they lost like 50% or something like that. And it's like Warren Buffett says, if he says something like this, I don't remember exactly word for word what he said exactly, but this is essentially what he said. He was like, if you can't watch your investment go down by 50% or more, then investing may not be for you. And that's the case here. Like a lot of people, they put money into something, they lose 50%, and then they automatically take the loss and just cash out. And I mean, it's better than losing everything, but you're still lost half. So, if you waited this long to get out, and you believe it's a good team and a good project, then why not wait a little bit extra and see if you actually can make those gains back and so on. But guys, that pretty much covers it for this video. if you guys have any comments, any suggestions, anything you want to add, even if you want me to do a technical analysis on any cryptocurrencies or things like that, then like, again, I'm not a professional at it, but I'm definitely learning each day as time goes on, and doing these technical analysis for you guys actually helps me better understand and better learn what technical analysis is, and how do you actually utilize them. So let me know if you guys need any help whatsoever with anything crypto related. I'll be more than glad to help you guys out with that. But again, that pretty much covers for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.